According to recent data from Department of Labor, 61% of social scientists and 46% of math occupations are women. Nevertheless, the fast increased job opportunities for women are nurse, preschool teachers, and maids. Women are good in math and science. There are no enough opportunities for them. Artists and content creators are not in any category. Women were highly active in STEM since the 18th centuries. I learned from established artists. There were many exceptional women in the STEM field. From the past to present, based on recent data and prediction from Department of Labor, women high-demand occupations are nurse, preschool teachers, and home care workers. During the early 1990 Great Recession, women in tech had a significant change. More women got jobs in computer engineering field after 1992. Video highlight. As of 2022, only 90% of all leadership positions in tech are held by women. Advancement for women in tech is difficult. They are 3.5 times more likely to be 35 plus and still in junior tech positions. For men, less than 5% remain in junior positions after the age of 35. Verneda Light, artist, poet, and retired physicist. Women in tech in history. Nicole Ryan Lippert, 18th century. Astronomers and mathematicians who predict the return of a holiday. Ada Lovelace, 19th century. Mathematicians, computer programmer, she was the first person to recognize the machine and the algorithms. Heidi Lamar, actress and inventor, she developed the idea for secret communication system and at setting radio guide torpedoes off course. Her idea inspired our modern days Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Vera Mena, artist and a pioneer of digital and algorithm art. Presentation by Cynthia Di Donato, artist. You can watch the full-length videos on Tech Personality and Salon 43's FinTech, May 11, 2022, moderated by Rose Diamond. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.